Welcome back to the channel, guys. So those of you who's been following my U-Force 1000 turbo build back here that we're doing a 72-inch long travel suspension kit on knows that I've ran into a bit of an issue, and we're gonna see if we can solve that today. That issue is when I had the axles built for the long travel, I had them built on a 22 to 24 U-Force. I believe they were built with a 23, but 22, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24 utilize different drive shaft on the driver's side. The spline is longer. The one we had made is shorter because, well, the older ones have the longer spline. The newer ones have a shorter spline. So the diff that CFMOTO has for the new current models, this is a Q810, my current diff. This is a Q830, but I need a Q890 diff. This utilizes some of the same internal parts as a Q890, but this is off of a C-Force 1000 Overland. So the diff internals is actually reverse from what's in here and what's in the Q890. We could not get the diff that we needed. Number one, it was like $1,500, $1,600 through CFMOTO. Number two, it's on back order. I need this stuff like ASAP. So I did some digging, and I think some of the internals from here will work in here. This is a much smaller diff than this one, but we're gonna find out if that is the case, if we can do that. So without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna crack open both of these side covers and see what we can do. Hopefully, uh-oh, they're 10 over here, no? Whoa, they're 12, I'm sorry. Alright, let's pull the new one off. We don't want to lose anything that comes out of here. That is for sure. That in there. That's what the inside of that one looks like. I'll let you guys stare at that one. Are the covers the same? That one looks smaller. Let's see. We knock that seal loose. Okay. She's cracked. Come on. Okay. So right off the bat, this gear comes right out with it. Where that one, it didn't. Okay. There we go. Okay. There is a shim down in that one. All right. So that's what the inside of that one looks like. A little bit different. They are different. But what I'm after, maybe here. I'll get this out. Should come right out. There we go. Come right out. Would you look at that? It's got a smaller gear. By the looks of things, guys, this piece right in here is actually the same. And this is the piece that we need. That is exactly the piece that we need. So let's see if we can get that out. So now that we got that actuator off, we have to pull this gear out of here. I'm gonna pull that pin, slide that pin up. Okay, that came out. Now that came out. Now we have a snap ring in there to take out. Got it out. Now this should just pop right out. Notice I said should. Okay. We got that out of there. That's the piece that we need. It goes like that. Let's work on this one. Just like so. Right there it is. I want to compare. Different. Son of a gun, it's different. Let's see. That's different. But is this different? This is not different. Or it is different. Wait a minute. So that goes like that. That goes like that. Well, darn it, son. They're different. Let me figure out what I want to do. Well, guys, we did not succeed in that like I thought we would. However, we could have succeeded. I chose not to. The center drum, this gear will mount to this center drum. And this center drum will go in there. But the gears are much smaller in this diff. Therefore, a little bit more weakness. So I chose not to do it because I know it's not going to last that long. So I'm going to put this stuff in my pile of parts. And if anybody needs any diff parts, let me know, because this one's brand new. This one's used out of a 2019. It will fit 2019 to 2020. I may put it back together. I may clean it up and toss it in a box for a day that I may need some bearings or parts or something like that. So, all right, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Sorry this wasn't much of a video. Yeah, it is what it is, I guess. All right, peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.